Hello guys. See, due to some technical problem, see, because we have made it to different parts. See, just 5 minutes one video, 5 10 minutes one video. Just you go through, no problem. See, as on today, that means the traps, types of traps and its uses, where you are going to provide all these things we are came to know, and also ventilation of sewers, ventilation of sewers. See, ventilation of sewers means, see this one, okay, here why it is required, what are the importance, and where it is easily you can install, okay, those things we can study from this. It's a self-explanatory. This is what you call why it is required means to avoid the foul gases entering into your house. So you should go directly to the atmosphere, and we are going to provide a pipeline, and there is a cap. This is perforated cap, so that from the sewer line that gases will be going outside. See, this is one. Okay. Next, what you call? See, another one is up to this. Okay, up to this. See, the complete module number one has been completed. See, in this case, what you call? We are divided into 10 parts. The total syllabus made into 10 topics. Under that, 5 topics from sewer appurtenances, 5 topics from remaining things. Here, the problem along with the theory they are going to ask. In the examination, see, okay, from each chapters, each module, they are going to ask how many questions? 2 plus 2, 4 questions they are going to ask. That means main questions are 2. Main questions. See, yours is 60 marks means 100 marks question paper. 20 marks plus 20 marks. That is each module you have to answer for 20 marks. See, totally they will give 40 marks question. The questions I am going to give, whatever the questions I am going to ask you to write for the assignment. Okay, that will be same for the examination purpose. Now, it is a design problem in this case. You are already knowing that very easily you can determine what is Q1, what is Q2, how to determine those things. Okay, design of sewerage system you are designed. Now, the design of sewerage system and two types. One is a dry weather flow, and one is a wet weather flow. The dry weather flow is population into rate of water supply into what you call percentage of sewage. That can be determined easily. But another one is WWF. WWF means what actually? That is called storewater determination of storewater. That is a Q2. So Q1 already you are knowing using one method. Q2 is another method. Here what happens? This Q2 can be determined using a very simple formula that is called rational formula method. The derivation of the rational formula method is every time they are going to ask that one. And problems using those formula AIR. When AIR known, then how to do. When AIR is not known, those whatever factors are not known, those parameters are not known, then what to do. And then I value will be varies. A will be area with respect to area, I value is going to varies. Then how to solve this problem. See, we are studied about and we are done the solve the problems using 3 methods also. I have shown 3 methods. If you are not practicing, that is your problem. See, the first module is going to complete now. Okay, as in today, this is a 10th hour class. Okay, whatever we are planned, that one is here. And I will send you the notes. In the notes, it is a self-explanatory so that you can write neatly. See, only thing is in second part of this chapter, that is in module, only theory it is. There is no design. See, that is why the sewer appurtenances, shapes of sewers, laying of sewers, testing of sewers, then ventilation of sewers. You just go through the syllabus already I have given, and the topics are divided into 10 parts. Just to go through so that we came to know everything. See, for this reference book is Santosh Kumar Garg, SK Garg, volume number 2. If you go and ask to library, volume number 2, they will give you everything. See, okay. Now here, in rational formula method, AIR divided by 360, you are determined. Another also one more method is there, that is called empirical formula method. This is a second method of determination. But here in this formula, see, they are given only the formula. See, those formula they are here. Just to go through. See, this is one formula, Berkeley-Ziegler's formula. See, this is very easily. Okay, 296 into AR, fourth root of S by A. What is S? The slope of the sewer, and then R is the maximum rate of rainfall in mm per hour. Everything is self-explanatory. You just go through, and in the examination there is no problem. Okay, directly they are going to ask the equations, how to write this Berkeley-Ziegler's formula. See, another are here. See, Math's formula, Metcalfe and Eddy formula, Fanning formula, Dickens formula. See, okay, Rice formula and English formula. So totally 7 type of equations you have to study in this case, and just by heart all these and remember these equations to not only to solve the problem, but just this is for asking question. Most of the question paper is having a what you call rational formula method. Here this is a which method it is? Empirical formula method. Using this formula you are going to determine this one. See, now this will complete the module number 1. Wish you best of luck. Please ask me any doubts regarding this anytime. I can able to answer for you. Okay, the notes I will be sending you. See, the complete notes will be giving to you, no problem, so that you can answer for those questions. Okay, easily. See, I will just show you the syllabus. See, in module number 1, introduction, need for sanitation, methods of sewage disposal. What are the methods of sewage disposal? You know that. Okay, dilution and land disposal. Okay, on land disposal and water disposal. And then types of sewerage system. What are types of sewerage system? What are the different types? Tell me. Combined sewerage system, separate sewerage system, and partially separate system. Afterwards, dry weather flow and wet weather flow. See, dry weather flow and wet weather flow. What are the factors which are affecting on dry weather flow? That is infiltration rate, population growth, and industrial usage of water. Okay, and population for rate of water supply. See, we are already studied about that. Dry and wet weather flow, and then design of sewerage system. This is nothing but a design of sewerage system. And then finally, estimation of storm water. Estimation of storm water. See here, in this case, time of concentration is also you have studied. Estimation of storm water means again the same thing, rational formula method and empirical formula method. Using those two methods, how to determine, that is a quantity of water. See, this is the half of the portion. That is, it will be 60% of the portion is here only. And numerical problems also you are solved. One problem I have shown. Please solve some more problems from the textbook. Okay. Next is sewer appurtenances. Sewer appurtenances means manholes, catch basins, oil and grease traps, PQS traps. See, we have studied all those things. Sorry for the interference. Okay, I will show you once again. Okay, the syllabus. Okay. Yes. PQS traps, and then materials of sewers which are to be used, and then ventilation of the sewers, laying and testing of sewers, laying of sewers, testing of sewers, and then ventilation of sewers, and basic principles of house drainage system. See, some of the portions, I will give you a notes for you. This is a theory totally. One full question on they are going to ask in the examination, and another one full question will be asking on this. Please remember it. In the syllabus, usually 2 paragraphs. All the modules are having 2 paragraphs. One full question will be asking from one paragraph, another question will be from another paragraph. Okay, yours is 40 plus 60 means that is 100 marks. 100 marks means for the examination is 60 is converting into 100, and then 100 will be reducing to 60. See, now you are luckily this time, otherwise you could have written the examination. See, total examinations are what you call for you excuse kya hone. Okay, then okay, see, we have discussed about this. If any doubts or anything, just please clarify and try to contact me anytime, no problem. Don't hesitate to contact. Now here, this is a second chapter. I'll show you. Okay, the first module is over, and this is the second module, design of sewers. Now sewerage system now design ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. Sewerage system, types of sewerage system. Remember it here. Design of sewerage. ಯಾವ sewerage ಬೇಕು? ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಬೇಕಾ, ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ, ಪಾರ್ಷಲಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ, ಯಾವುದು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ in this case design of sewers, hydraulics formula determine the velocity and discharge. Here you have to enter into the main subject. This is a second module, so that we can study. See, I can start with that second module. It is a problems, again problem in this case. See, velocity determination. In velocity means I was explaining very neatly about that afterwards. Okay, you have to know the velocity, otherwise you cannot design the what you call design of sewers. Design means the diameter. Now it will be coming to picture, the diameter of the sewer line using velocity. See, those things I'm going to explain in the next class. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much, and thank you for your patience hearing to this. And in this what you call today's class, we are having some split. Okay, split up what you call videos are there. Just to go through all are same continuation it is. Due to technical problem, sorry for interference, instead of a single video I made into some split. For each and every topics there is a split. Just go through this one. I am going to send it to you. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you one and all.